Hello guys and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust Claude AI's tone settings so your responses match your preferred style and audience. First, log into Claude AI and open a new chat. Click on the profile icon in the then select settings from the drop down menu. Next, look for the tone settings or response style section. Here you can choose from options like professional, casual, friendly, creative, depending on your goals. After selecting your preferred tone, test it by typing a prompt such as write an email to a client and observe how Claude adjusts the wording and style. You can further customize by combining tones or adjusting formality. This ensures every output matches your voice and audience expectations. Finally, save your settings so Claude remembers your preferred tone for future conversations, making your interactions faster and more consistent. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.